Okay, I request you guys to now mark your attendance, please. Please mark your attendance. Okay, for today's lesson, I have planned something similar to what you will receive in your paper. These were the online quiz available for the lesson in knowledge platform. Okay, okay. Now I will ask you guys to take turns, and that's how we will. I'll call out your name, and you will have to answer the question which is given over here. Okay, बिल्कुल based on this is exactly how you guys have previously had your test online as well. Okay, not very difficult at all. बिल्कुल difficult नहीं है. ठीक है जी. Okay, Mahmood Azam, I'll begin with you. The first question goes for Mahmood Azam. According to the passage, Hazrat
Yes, ma'am.
Asma Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anha, which relative of Hazrat Asma was a disbeliever at the time of migration? Hazrat Abu Bakr
Asma.
Siddiq, Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, Abu Jahl, ya Hazrat Abu Kuhafa.
Hazrat Abu Quhafa.
Very good. Very good. The answer is absolutely correct. Shanze, next question is for you. Shanze, according to the passage, Hazrat Asma Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anha, how did Hazrat Asma console her grandfather? She tricked him by substituting pebbles for his coins. She tricked him by putting bread on the table. She tricked him by pretending to be his son. She invited his friend Abu Jahl to visit to raise his spirits. Shanze. Very good, Maria. Shanze, I'm waiting for your answer. How does this thing even move? Okay, over here. Okay, very good, Arfa, Maria, Hania, Abiha. Very good answer. Next, Hashim, I'd like you to answer the next one. What message do you get from the life of Hazrat Asma Raziyallahu Ta'ala anha? The message we get from the life of Hazrat Asma is that righteousness always prevails, that sometimes it is necessary to compromise one's faith, that one should live a life of bravery, truthfulness, piety, generosity, and patience, that we should live a life of gardening, caring for grandfathers, and being a housewife.
Ma'am, number 3.
Very good. Okay. Hania, this question is for you. Who migrated in the passage Hazrat Asma, and where did they migrate to? Holy Prophet and Hazrat Abu Bakr migrated to Medina. Migrants were Abu Jahl and other disbelievers. They migrated to Makkah. The migrants were Hazrat Asma and her sister, and they migrated to Makkah. Migrants were Abu Kuhafa and Hazrat Aisha Siddiqa, and they migrated to Jerusalem. Very good, Hania.
Option 1.
Muhammad Hashir, your turn. The following lines are from paragraph 7 in the passage Hazrat Asma Raziyallahu Ta'ala Anha. Hazrat Asma will always be remembered for her courage, generosity, and wisdom. She had resolute faith in Allah Almighty. Her life would always be a beacon of light for all of us. What is meant by the phrase, a beacon of light for all of us? Muhammad Hashir.
Ma'am, can I?
Hashir. Okay, Zainab.
Ma'am, number 1.
Exactly. It means that Hazrat Asma is an example worthy of emulation. Emulate means to copy, or that she is, thank you, Sophia, that she is basically a guide for us. We can copy her ways. Exactly. Abdullah says it means she will inspire us and be a role model for all Muslims. So, exactly. She sets an example basically. The answer is correct. Next one. Umair Siddiqui, it's your turn. According to the passage, Hazrat Asma, who was Hazrat Abdullah bin Zubair, Raziyallahu ta'ala anhu, he traveled with the Holy Prophet to Medina. He was the son of Hazrat Asma. He worked for Abu Jahl and went looking for Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq. He used to go with Hazrat Asma to provide food for the emigrants.
Ma'am, part 2.
The second option. Very good. Good. Sarah Rehan, your turn. What was the year of the migration from Makkah to Medina in the Western calendar? 623 AD, 634, 661, or 622 AD?
622 AD.
622 AD. Let's see. Good job. Good job. Rumesh Shah, your turn. Which incident in the passage Hazrat Asma shows Hazrat Asma's love and respect for the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him? The incident where Hazrat Asma was slapped by Abu Jahl, the incident where Hazrat Asma deceives her father by having him heal pebbles instead of his wealth, the incident where Hazrat Asma sells her garden to raise money for the poor, the incident where Hazrat Asma risked her life and courageously supplied food for the Holy Prophet and her father Hazrat Abu Bakr in the cave of Thor. Very good, Maria. Very good, Romes. Good job. Good job. Okay. I will now open the vocabulary question. ओहो ये जो चीज़ें स्टक हो जाती हैं ना मुझे बिल्कुल भी पसंद नहीं है ऐसे. एक मिनट. Okay. We are on. Let's come back to number 1. इसका ना असल में लिंक आई कैन नॉट शेयर बिकॉज इसका लिंक शेयर होता ही नहीं है. ठीक है. If only I could submit, or if only we could, share this, things would have been way easier. ठीक है. Okay. इनमें से देख लेते हैं कि हम कितने कर सकते हैं. ठीक है.
मैम इसका ऊपर जो आप इसके ऊपर आपका सर्च बार आ रहेगा तो उसका जो उस पर जो सब कुछ लिखा है उसे कॉपी करके आप चैट के अंदर या जीसी के ऊपर डाल दें तो उसका लिंक आ जाएगा.
मैं करके देख लेती हूँ लेकिन पता है क्या है ये दिस इज बेसिकली एक मिनट है. Okay. Ma'am, Abiha Hussain, your turn. We did not, again, fill in the blank with the word that best completes the meaning of the sentence. We did not have any piece. Oh, we're done with this? Sorry. Sorry, ma'am. थोड़ा ऊपर करती I couldn't see that. Oh, never mind. You guys can't hear me well?
We can, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
A
ma'am.
synonym for giveaway is, this is for Abiha, okay? Synonym for gave away is distributed, concealed, possessed, gained.
I think it's option 4.
Synonym for gave away. Synonym.
Ma'am, can I?
Those of you who are answering in the chat box, your answers are
Ma'am,
absolutely correct.
option 1.
Option 1, very good. Good. Maria Imran, your turn. Again, fill in the blank with the appropriate answer. She was dashed to qualify for the Olympics, so she began a rigorous training program and would not leave anyone discouraged, would not let anyone discourage her. Ventured, determined, alleviated, and option 4 is furious. Maria. Very good, Maria. Determined. Alyan, your turn. An antonym for perilous is hazardous, precarious, safe, or dangerous. Antonym.
Ma'am, safe.
Very good. Very good. Okay, Aklima Naveed. Choose the correct spelling. Aklima. Exactly, Ramesh. Exactly. Very good. Okay, since Aklima is not answering and many other people have answered in the chat box, here it goes. Good job, those of you who answered. Amal. Yes, that's where people, it's not exactly the synonym or the antonym. It is basically the word synonym and the word antonym where students get confused. Okay, giveaway means, we just did this. It's like, कान इधर से पकड़ो या उधर से पकड़ो. It's like two different ways. Same question, two different ways. Okay. Amal, did you have a chance? No, I never gave you a chance. Okay. Amal, which of the following words has the opposite meaning to the word companion? Enemy, friend, colleague, associate. Super duper easy.
Enemy.
Very good, Mira Bacha. Very good. Hamza Ismail. Hamza Ismail, this question is for you. An antonym for constant is regular, consistent, infrequent, continual.
Ma'am, infrequent.
Infrequent. Very good, very good. Muhammad Salman, you will have the turn now. Very good, Hamza. Salman, your turn. Good job, Maria and Hashir and Aklima. A synonym for instantly is slowly, sometime, eventually, immediately. Salman, synonym. Very good, Salman. Amna Kashif, your turn. Fill in the blank with a word that best completes the meaning of the sentence. The mountain climbers successfully made it up the steep dash cliff. Right, perilous, constant, detect. Constant का continual. Yes. No, 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 no. A synonym would have been continual for constant. Since Aklima is not answering and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 students have answered over here, we are moving on. The answer was perilous. Very good. Okie dokie. Who else do we have over here? Abdullah Khurram. A synonym for fit of fury is happiness, sadness, rage, joy.
Third one, rage.
Very good. Those of you who are answering in the chat box, very good. Your answers are absolutely correct. I'm trying to be as swift as possible. Okay. Hania, fill in the appropriate word. After I broke my mother's vase, she responded dash, but soon regretted her harsh words. She responded furiously, instantly, resolutely, steadfastly. Good, good, good. Those very good. जी बेटे. नहीं नहीं हर वक्त यूट्यूब नहीं लगता होता. नहीं नहीं सोफिया अभी सुबह सुबह यूट्यूब नहीं लग रहा भाई टीवी पे. भाग जाए इधर से. सोफिया कार्टून चल रहे हैं ना बस उतना बहुत है. अभी 10 मिनट्स अभी मेरे रहते हैं क्लास में. ओके वेरी गुड. सोफिया मैं अभी आके ब्रेकफास्ट बना के देती हूँ जाना. A synonym for migration is repatriation, emigration, return, unmoving. Yes, Hamza, absolutely. Rumesh says emigration. Same goes for Hamza and Amna. Hashir. Very good. I'm sorry, my daughter got me distracted and I couldn't point. A very good, Amna. Okay, opposite of the word detect is, who would like to answer? मिल जाएगा खाना. कुछ नहीं होता.
Ma'am, should I answer?
Yes, please, Alyan.
Ma'am,
Opposite
overlook.
of find. Opposite of detect. Someone said this. Mostly people are saying this. Why are you stuck on the previous slide? Probably internet is slow. That's why. Oh. Question को understand करें उमेर. An antonym for venture is security, undertaking, deal, or endeavor. Yes, it was, बच्चे. Yes, it was. Amna. Yes, Umer. Antonym for venture is security, undertaking, deal, or endeavor. Venture.
Security.
Very good.
तुक्का लग गया.
Okay. Okay, we just did this. Migration means anybody? Sarah?
Number 1.
Good job. Zainab, next one is for you. Antonym for delicate is fragile, gentle, weak, tough. Antonym. Good. Hashir, good. Hamza, good. Oh, no, 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 no. Those of you who are saying option 1, it's wrong. Zainab kahan gayi? Zainab ghaib ho gayi. Aklima, good. Number 4 was the correct option. Okay. Okay. Yes. She loved her set of dash china, but was afraid to use it for fear of breaking a piece. Determined, constant, steadfast, le lo mera bacha, delicate. Hashim.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, Zainab.
Ma'am, delicate.
Very good. Those of you who answered in the chat box, your answer was, oh, हद होगी है मैम. उसका ऑप्शन भी दिखाना था ना हमने. ये देखो, वाह जी वाह, वाह जी वाह. Fragility of the set of china. Okay. Ugh. Next, we knew something was burning in the kitchen because we could dash the smell of smoke. Reveal, detect, alleviate, gave away. Can someone raise their hand?
Detect.
Detect. Very good, Sarah. Allah, how many more? Allah, but there are so many others. अच्छा, अब मैं ना इनके वो नहीं नीचे करूंगी सबमिट वाला काम. हम ना खुद चेक करेंगे कि हमें आता है कि नहीं आता. ठीक है? Because this is taking time. Which of your cousins, raise your hand, who'd like to do this one? Which of your cousins would you like as a dash on the overnight train trip? Steadfast, refuge, companion, migration. Alian. Very good. Companion. Very good, all of you. Very, very good. Okay, good. Which of the words does not fit in the meaning of this sentence? The Qaid was dash in his belief the Pakistan must be built on the principles of faith, unity, and discipline. Your answers are steadfast, infuriated, resolute, or determined. Which word does not fit here?
I'm resolute.
The Qaid
From option
was
2.
resolute in his belief is incorrect.
No, ma'am.
The Qaid was steadfast in his belief. The Qaid was determined in his belief. The Qaid was infuriated in his belief. Yes, which option?
Second.
Fourth.
Good. Those who chose number 2, absolutely correct. Why? Because Qaid was steadfast, determined, and resolute about unification, but never angry. All three words mean the same. Exactly, they are synonymous. Antonym for alleviate is Abdullah Khurram. Not Abdullah Khurram, but Abdullah Khurram will answer.
1 second, ma'am. Alleviate is a worsen. Number 4.
Let's see. Very good. Laid, put down, person, exactly. Antonym for furiously is fiercely, angrily, heatedly, gently. Abhiha.
Gently.
Very good. एंटोनिम ढूंढ रहे हैं हम, ठीक है? ओके, नेक्स्ट अबीहा। मारिया से नहीं पूछा हमने, मारिया आपकी बारी। एंटोनिम फॉर मैड विद एंगर इज डाउटफुल, काम, कंफ्यूज्ड, इंटेलिजेंट। Antonym for mad with anger. The answers that I'm receiving, they're absolutely correct. Maria? Maria?
Ma'am, it's option 2.
Okay, very good. Option 2, calm. Very good. Fill in the blank. Oh, this is my favorite. Fill in the blank with a missing letter. A, E, I.
Ma'am, can I tell?
O. Yes, please.
A.
Very good. Instantly. Instantly. Okay. Hashim, very good. Okay. Choose the correct spelling. Fit of fury, fit of fury, fit of fury, fit of fury. Who'd like to do this?
My first one.
Very good. Very good. Okay, we're almost towards the end. We are now going to do the last four. Okay. Pick the correct option. Father took an aspirin to dash his headache, gave away, detect, determine, alleviate. Mahmood Azam.
Option 4.
Very good, Mahmood. Very good. Good. Alleviate means to ease it. Again, fill in the blank with the correct letter to complete the spelling. Constant, A-E-I-O.
A.
Very good. Those of you who are answering, it's absolutely correct. ठीक है? अच्छा जी. Last two questions. Mad with anger means sanity, calmness, unhappiness, so furious that you seem crazy.
Option
4.
4.
Option 4. Yes, Abdullah. 3 wala 4 and 4 wala 3. Oopsie, 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 oopsie. Yes. Synonyms are furious and enraged. Last question. An antonym for determined is irresolute, yielding, flexible, purposeful. Who would like to answer this?
Irresolute.
Antonym for determined. Allianz says it's number 1. Yielding, flexible, purposeful. Do we all agree? Lock kar दूं?
Yes, ma'am.
Helpline
I
to-
think it is one.
Option 1. Yes.
Irresolute, yielding, flexible and purposeful. Mohammed Hashir, क्या आपका आंसर लॉक किया जाए? There it goes. Very good. Very
मैम आप पैसे भी दिए उसे.
है ना? और ये घी का डब्बा आपका हुआ.
कौन बनेगा करोड़पति?
कौन बनेगा घी के डब्बे का मालिक?
हाशिम को
घीपति।
मिलती है हाशिम को मिलती है फाइजा ब्यूटी क्रीम की बाइक.
बाइक तो मिल रही है ना फाइजा ब्यूटी क्रीम की है, तो क्या हुआ? वो देखो रमेश ने यूनिक की मोटर बाइक भेजी है. चलें. At least this gives you an idea of what the paper is going to be like. ठीक है? इसी तरह के questions होंगे. They're not going to be anything that you do not know. ठीक है? Tomorrow what I will do is please make sure that you prepare the next lesson that's daffodils, ठीक है? और कल हम daffodils के लिए ना इसी तरह की exercise कर लेंगे, ठीक है? ठीक हो गया?
मैम यस मैम मैंने क्वेश्चन पूछा था
Yes.
कि हमारे स्कूल्स 12 अप्रैल से खोल रहे थे और हमारे एग्जाम्स 22 तक जा रहे हैं,
हाँ
तो आपका जो एग्जाम है वो एमसीक्यू बेस्ड ही होएगा कि आपका तो फिजिकल नहीं होएगा?
बच्चे वही बात आ जाती है दोबारा. Even yesterday I mentioned it. I don't remember whether we were live over here. Yeah, I mentioned it on your WhatsApp group. Remember, cases are increasing in number, and I don't think the schools will open. ठीक है? If in case स्कूल जाके पेपर होता है, स्कूल्स खुल जाते हैं, तो फिर ऑब्वियसली हम क्या कहते हैं पेपर पे देंगे, ठीक है? एक मिनट ठहरो. Can you guys, I'll answer this question at the end. Can you guys quickly mark your attendance? Most probably schools will not reopen, ठीक है? I don't think schools will reopen. This is my personal opinion. This is not something I'm saying officially.
इंशाल्लाह मैम.
ठीक है, इंशाल्लाह की बात नहीं हो रही यहाँ पे. ऐसी बातों में इंशाल्लाह नहीं कहते होते. चलिए जी, I'm on the last 2 minutes. Please quickly mark your attendance. Yes, because everything is shutting down now. सही है? तो most probably papers will be online, no matter what. ठीक है? So I've answered the question. Yes, please.
मैम हमारे कितने एमसीक्यूज होंगे पेपर में?
बेटे 30 मार्क्स का है तो 30 ही कम से कम होंगे.
ओके मैम.
मैम कोई मैम तो शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन आंसर्स दे दिए ना 10 मार्क्स के और फिर 20 के एमसीक्यूज.
हाँ.
मैम लेकिन आप एमसीक्यूज ही देना.
देखते हैं.
मैम शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन आंसर्स में बहुत देर लगेगी. आप एमसीक्यूज ही दें.
मर्जी वो क्या दे.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
मैम ये आपने दोस्ती का सिला ये दिया मैम.
क्या?
हमें क्या पता था एक दिन ऐसा आएगा जब मैम एमसीक्यूज के बजाय शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन आंसर्स भी देंगी मैम.
मैं ऐसा कुछ नहीं.
धोखा हुआ है, बेवफाई हुई है मैम.
मैंने ऐसी कोई बात नहीं की. I haven't said a word. अच्छा जी, we are on the last few seconds. Thank you very much. Yes, Hamza, you're absolutely right. But the thing is, you have to be alert while attempting the MCQs. ठीक है? चलें, it's now going to end any second. Thank you very much, children. And Allah Hafiz. I hope you have marked your attendance. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz, ma'am.
Hafiz ma'am.
Allah Hafiz ma'am.
Laugh, ma'am.
Yeah,